Today, we're cruising in the BRZ and we're heading to motorculture. If you guys don't know, the little event that they put on at Lakeside is pretty sick. They do like a little bit of like sprints and drags and everything, but either way, we're actually heading to Ataku today to go film for the Ataku Garage YouTube channel, which you should all go check out in the link in the description. But aside from that, we are going to go down this morning, have a little bit of fun, and show you guys some sick cars. I was originally going to bring the RX-7, however, I didn't feel like waking up my neighbors at 6:30 just so I can come to the event for an hour and then head home. So I'm just mowing the BRZ over, plus there is an FC literally right behind me as well, so it's freaking sick. I think there's a car holding him up at the moment, but plus we're also going to be catching up with Kyle, who's got his little MX5 out there as well, so I'll also leave his link in the description so you can go check out this amazing day, because he has more balls than me, and he's going to take his brand new, incredibly wide body MX5 out onto the track to have a few laps around there, which would be sick. So, oh man, it's pretty this morning. Oh, we slow boy. So yes, he's taking his MX5 onto the track, and we're just going to be taking him a helmet. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Man, I'm going to miss this place when I move. Now we gotta find Kyle, wherever the hell he is. There's some nice cars out there today. There he is. I spotted the big wide thingy. Mr. Kyle! We have his MX-5 here. This thing you've seen at the Wild Time Attack videos, but now it's here in Queensland where he lives. How sick.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. Kyle's gonna be taking this thing out on track, which is insane to me because I can't even take stock cars on tracks, let alone he builds this insane MX-5. Does it fit?
Yeah.
Sick.
Is this an XL?
Yeah.
Oh.
I have a massive head, dude.
No, I should get an
Wait,
XL.
turn around. Wait. I don't know what it is.
If
It's probably says it inside.
If it's an XL, then this is my size.
It probably says it on the thing.
Are the sizes different for halves?
I don't know. Either way, you guys should know I have a massive head. But
Who cares?
also I put some GoPro mounts on each side, so you can put your GoPro on your helmet, which I love, so it looks sick.
Yeah, I got them on my half one, but
Yeah. Either way,
I
guys.
feel like a racer boy today, you know what I mean?
Yeah, 100%. Well, you didn't. Wait, you have a half face helmet but didn't bring it?
Oh, I brought it.
Oh, okay, radio. Yeah. Excellent.
Today's kind of like also passenger run day, like.
Yeah, yep.
Pulled it.
Hey, that means Jen can go in it. Has she been in it?
Yeah, of course she's been in it.
Sick. The dogs have been in it. Everyone's been in it except me.
Yes.
Except
Even
me.
my fucking dogs have been in it. That's fucking
Insane that you haven't been in the BRZ yet, man.
No, I haven't.
Thing shreds.
I have been in a lot of videos.
Really? They don't excite you? Oh, if this is the purple Valiant I'm thinking of, it makes a 1200 horsepower and it's a barrel.
This makes 12 horsepower and it's an RB27.
RB27. Oh, you Gallo 24, bro? Woo! Yeah. Yep, it says real dyno on the back, so that is a 1200 horsepower barrel.
Remember my last one? It came down to like there.
Yes, I like this so much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks so much better from inside as well. God, this car is so pretty. Yeah, that might be nice, so you can go around the track and actually like look. So what do we got running under here, Kyle? We haven't actually had a good walkthrough of this car just yet.
We got a 4852 turbo.
Yeah, sick.
Can you imagine a 4852 turbo on this thing? It'd be like the size
Through the bonnet.
Yeah.
Be half the engine bay.
What's been
it's
done?
sick.
I don't know, it's turbo. I had to just
Forged.
in the last fucking 2 days, my clutch master failed.
Yep.
So I had to do a new clutch master. I did all new brakes.
Mm-hmm.
I got a wheel alignment. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that was
Brand
pretty
new
far
car.
out. That was really far out.
Yeah, it's fantastic. It actually drives straight. Like, it was at a point, because like the wheels were so big that when I brake, it would just go.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys have seen his actual videos, but you should see his wheel placement. It was darting all over the road, and your steering wheel was cockeyed.
Yeah,
it was
now it's
great.
Fully straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's sick.
Oh yeah.
Some pretty neat cars down here today. And that color is sick. Very, very nice. Poor little BRZ parked over in the mud. I don't know how I'm going to get out. I really hope I'm not stuck. A few nice Barrettings. Woohoo! This is what I'm here for. God damn. I can smell the premix already. Looks sick. I love the way he's done his manifold down there. Kind of cool. Another thing I'd love to do, oh, he doesn't have it here, but another thing I'd love to do, ooh, that's electric water pump as well. I love electric water pump setups. They can make them look so clean and so neat. That's sick. Kudos. This thing is insane. The cleanest belly it's ever seen, and this Barra turbo setup is just insane. Very, very cool.
And then we go off about anyway.
I'd love to see this run. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I haven't seen any of the new M4s yet, neither in this colour. What? Honestly, this colour on the sun. Wow.
We are about to start the driver's briefing.
Alrighty.
At the Pit Stop Cafe. Final call to
I have a friend over in New Zealand that I've been meaning to meet up with and go over there for a long time. That has a McLaren. And this is just beautiful. Yeah, look, not gonna lie. I didn't expect this to be here at all. Liberty Walk 890 Supra. Wow, that is quite extra. And right beside a GTR as well. These kits are insane. I would hate to clean this. That's mental. This thing is so freaking beautiful. I love it. Rightio, so they're heading out for a cruise session. I'm actually going to jump in with Kyle. I'm going to delay my work a little bit, which sucks. But no, I'm going to delay my work a little bit, and we're going to go out in Kyle's MX5, which is going to be so much fun. So let's do it. Rightio, guys, we are jumping in the MX5. This thing's going to be sick. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Man, these seats are a bit comfortable, aren't they? So this thing is so freaking cool. I don't know whether I told you guys exactly what it is before. Just preemptively getting your extinguisher out. Rightio, so I don't know if I told you guys exactly what this car is. It's basically an NA MX5 stock engine, but it's been rebuilt, and it's got a, what size turbo on it?
2560.
2560 turbo. It sounds amazing. It looks mint. This is by far one of the most unique cars, I think, in Australia. Have you got manual power steering?
Yeah.
Manual power
I welded
steering.
the rack.
Manual steering, sorry.
Yeah.
Really?
I welded the rack and then put 275 semis on.
Sick.
Like a dickhead.
That's sick, bro.
I get good handling though. So I pulled the rack out, cut the fluid retainer, and then I welded the pinion gear, and then just clamped all the lines. Full Manuel. Sick as.
That's crazy. I don't know if I could live with a car with manual steering. That sucks.
Look.
It's nice once it's cruising though, yeah.
Oh, it's like it's the olden day power steering when it's cruising.
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
It's like one finger touch shit.
I was gonna say this car weighs what? Nothing though. Anyway.
970 kilos.
Wow, you've actually weighed it?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah.
970.
Yeah.
What do they come out with?
Fuck, I don't know. 60.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, big
sick
fucking wheels on it.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is sick.
Oh yeah, you've never been in it?
No, never. That sounds sick.
We just full bit of skewed on that water.
I know, I saw that.
That's not what you want. Oh, there's water there too. Like
This is going to be amazing doing sprints. It's so planted. Oh my god.
Oh, it's so planted.
That's insane. By the way, guys, got Nankang NS. 275 AR1s. all round. That's so sick. Ow. That's sick. Oh no, no crackles. No. Oh, thank fuck. See if you can keep up with him.
I reckon if I was mono him,
Yeah.
we could have kept that up.
I 100% agree.
Because like the gap didn't get any longer. Oh dude, I want to go so much faster around this corner.
This is your first time sort of feeling a track, isn't it?
It's my
in this
first
car?
time driving this car hard.
Yeah. Temp isn't even above 80.
Oh, surely this cunt fucking slows down for a race. What a fuck. No one wants to race the Widebody Miata.
No, apparently not. That's okay. Alright, now saying goodbye to Kyle. And we're heading back to Ataku. I'm trying to slip on the mud. I think I'm actually bogged as well. It's going to be very interesting to try and get out. Oh no. The poor BRZ. Oh well, shitty. It's a daily. I jumped in this and it's so comfortable. I'm not bouncing around doing weird shit. Yeah.
I'll give you 13.
13?
13.
Nah.
Fuck yeah.
26, we got a deal. See you mate, have a good one. Alright guys, so we are at Ataku Garage. If you can see behind me, we got Sam, we got Matt, we got Jack out there, and we got all the doggos. But yeah, come in here this morning, we've just filmed a full episode for this thing. So I don't know if you guys have seen it, but we have a YouTube channel with Ataku. So Sam is the person that does that. We all do it actually.
We all do it. Don't give me all the glory.
No. So I kind of want you to run through it because it's your channel, and well, it's all of our channels, but Ataku channel, and you're the sort of host of it. So what are we looking at here, and where can they find all this sort of stuff?
Alrighty. Well, this is a RB26 swap going into an S15 for a customer.
Ooh, sorry, mate. I don't want to step on a German Shepherd's foot.
So many puppy dogs running around this morning. It's glorious, but there's been a lot of tripping over there. But yeah, sorry, to get back to this, S15 with an RB26 swap we're doing for our customer. His goal is to have a 600 horsepower street car with a shaved engine bay and a really tidy aero style.
Yeah, and it's
look from the
insane,
outside.
hey, yeah.
So yeah, we're putting a lot of motorsport stuff in this to make it a comfortable car that's capable of daily driving at 600 horsepower, which is a lot, but still pretty reasonable in today's YouTube standards.
Yeah, that's it. So the engine's spool forged, correct? CP piston spool forged, or is it Netto?
JDM Garage built it.
That's right, yeah.
They use Manly rod.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And I'm not sure what pistons. I think it was CP pistons, but yeah. No, there's Tomei pond cams, upgraded valve springs, got the 3770.
G35 770.
Did we go 35?
We do, yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
yeah, G35 770.
Yeah, yeah.
Zach correction again. I can't even remember. It's too many cars to build.
Yeah.
We've got the Plasma Man forward-facing plenum, Plasma Man Pro Series intercooler. We've got a chase base tucked radiator in it. We're going to be doing AC with this as well because Queensland, you're mad not to drive with aircon. It'll be like saying drive without aircon in Florida.
Yeah. It's dumb, eh?
It gets pretty swampy in here through
yeah.
summer. So yeah, you know, full aftermarket traction control system through the Motec. So yeah, it'll be a really neat car. We're really excited to build this, and we've got quite a few more for the channel planned. So come along and join our channel. You can find us at Ataku Garage on all our socials and the YouTube.
All the links will be in the description, as I said at the start of the video anyway, when we're heading out to Lakeside. But yeah, no, this car is absolutely insane. I hope I can stick around a little bit to see it eventually become a thing.
Yeah, and make sure to be in the comment sections thanking Zach, because it was him starting here that finally twisted my arm to launch the YouTube channel this year.
That's it. No, that's very cool. So yeah, this thing's got TE's, got a mad RB26. It's got we've got a full aero kit sitting up the back there. It's going to go what he doesn't really know, pearl white potentially, or something on those lines.
I'm trying to convince him to go with the KL1 gunmetal grey 32G.
Yeah, very true.
To go with the
TE's. Yeah.
Because like the red will match. He's going red calipers to match.
I told him to paint his calipers candy red as well, so that'll look sick. So
with the red T37 sticker, the red engine and red calipers, I think that's enough bright accents, and then we go black and grey with everything else. The car will look neat, but it would look sick in pearl white as well. I am trying to twist it.
Yeah, but what's your dream car? Your dream car's it.
Put it in Zach's comment sections. I'll ask our viewers as well. So
yeah, legit. Like, what color would you paint this? It looks sick. No, dude. Silver is the most disgusting color ever.
Pewter and just enjoy it.
You're such a Nissan fanboy, aren't you?
Either this or KLO purple.
Huh?
S14 purple. The KLO that's like a
seafoam
really
two-tone
that has like a magenta metallic in it.
I haven't seen that color much.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, I haven't seen that color much at all.
Gorgeous.
But yeah, no, the entire sort of channel is sort of focused more around like, it's been fun to do more production quality sort of stuff, not just like chuck a camera in the face and see what you make up words as you're speaking, like I just did, which is pretty funny. But yeah, no, it's like actually putting a lot of thought and effort into trying to get stuff to sound good on camera, and it's cool. It's really cool, actually.
Yeah,
I dig it.
Basically, the vibe, the energy, the style of content that we're aiming for with Ataku is that you talk to any mechanic or performance workshop, and they all started from a love of cars and doing crazy fun stuff in the garage with mates, going to car meets, going and testing it on the racetrack. And I want to bring that energy back to the work that we do, and hopefully give you tips and pointers and show you how to do it in a high quality standard so you can do this at home and get into cars yourself. You don't have to be in the industry to do this, but being in the industry with all the tools, equipment and knowledge does make it easier. But hopefully we can show that you can do it at home and have the same sort of fun that we do.
And Woody and Alan, we're coming for you. No. No, just joking.